fair, everywhere. 19 News starts now.
19 News uncovering new information in the mass shooting in downtown Cleveland. Thanks for joining us on 19 News at noon. I'm Nicole Versansky. The suspected getaway driver just appearing in court, and we've learned another suspect still could be out there. Vic Gideon has the developing details.
Valley Salomon, 682-899, co-defendant B.
Co-defendant B, Kevin Del Valle Salomon, appearing in a Cuyahoga County courtroom from jail. His attorney entering his plea.
We'll waive reading of the indictment, enter a not guilty plea, and ask for a reasonable bond.
Police say it was Del Valle Salomon involved in the mass shooting on West 6th Street earlier this month. 9 people were shot. Thankfully, everyone survived. The 24-year-old charged with 9 counts of attempted murder. His role, the getaway driver.
The state is asking for the $9 million cash property bond, which is equal to the bond for the co-defendant that was previously set.
The state asking for a high bond after his attorney asked the original $5 million bond be lowered, and the judge agreed.
Never accept not guilty plea. I believe a $1 million cash property bond is enough to ensure his appearance and public safety. No contact with the victims.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Investigators say Jalen Jennings was the shooter. He's currently held on $9 million bond, $1 million for each of his victims. Police still searching for a third suspect in the case. Both Del Valle Salomon and Jalen Jennings will be in court next Monday at 9 o'clock in front of Judge Jennifer O'Donnell for their pretrial. Reporting from the Justice Center, Vic Gideon, 19 News.